DPF clean machine. It is a disassembly-free design. We will clean a truck. First, lift the truck. Disassemble the sensor at the front end of the DOC. Insert the cleaning nozzle into the sensor port. Tighten it. Second, pour the cleaning agent into the tank of the machine. Cover the lid. Connect the air source. Connect the liquid outlet pipe to the cleaning nozzle. Third, turn on the truck and keep it idle.
Adjust the air pressure to 24 bar.
Turn on the cleaning switch on the machine control panel and start cleaning.
Step 4. The cleaning time is about 20 to 30 minutes.
After cleaning is completed, turn off the machine cleaning switch.
Step 5. Disconnect the air source.
Press the button on the tank cover to release the air pressure in the tank.
Step 6. Disconnect the cleaning nozzle from the sensor.
Reinstall the sensor screws.
Step 7. Press the accelerator to about 2500 RPM.
Discharge the remaining cleaning fluid in the exhaust pipe. The cleaning work is complete.